Assalamu alaikum dear cadets. Welcome to Virtual Cadet College online class program. I am Mohammad Kamaluddin Monir, lecturer in mathematics, Virtual Cadet College. Dear cadets, you know corona pandemic is very much alarming in this winter season now. So be careful about coronavirus so that you can stay safe. You must wash your hands and use mask. Due to coronavirus, our regular classes are not being held, but life is not stopped. So that I am here to take your class virtually. Lesson introduction. Today I'll take a class of higher mathematics, class 11, chapter 7E. By the name of chapter, you already have understood the topic. Yes, this is a symbol for today's topic. Yes, this is trigonometry. Learning outcome. After completing this lesson, cadets will be able to determine trigonometric ratios of submultiple angles, apply trigonometric ratios of submultiple angles, proofs of formula of trigonometric ratios of submultiple angles. Now some formula. In previous class, I have discussed many formula of trigonometry. Now I'll discuss submultiple angles. Replacing a by 2 in the formula sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a. You know the formula sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a. Also, you know the formula cos 2a equal to cos square a minus sin square a. Sin 2a equal to 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. Cos 2a equal to 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a, and tan 2a equal to 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Now, in this formula, replace a by 2. You can take pen and paper, then you will find the new formula. Yes, get ready for 30 seconds. Please try. Then I will solve the problem or I will tell you the answer. Yes, that will be sin a equal to 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. Cos a equal to cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2 from this formula. Replace a by 2. This formula very important for this chapter. Also sin a equal to 2 tan a by 2 by 1 plus tan square a by 2. Cos a equal to 1 minus tan square a by 2 by 1 plus tan square a by 2. And lastly, tan a equal to 2 tan a by 2 by 1 minus tan square a by 2. You can resolve or you can find this formula from previous formula, but you must memorize it. You must remember this. These formulas are very important for solving trigonometric problems, because if you don't memorize or don't remember it, you will not get enough time to solve trigonometric problems. So you must remember this formula. Then your problem will be very easy to solve. Now I will discuss 5 different mathematical problem, that is trigonometric problem from chapter 7e. Then I will give a homework. First of all, these are from example. Show that sine 18 degree equal to 1 by 4 root 5 minus 1 and so on. I'll discuss only first one, and others 3 you will try. Proof 1. Let theta equal to 18 degree. Therefore 5 theta equal to 5 multiply 18, that is 90 degree. Or 3 theta equal to 90 degree minus 2 theta. Now cos 3 theta equal to cos 90 degree minus 2 theta. And cos 90 degree minus 2 theta means sine 2 theta. And you know the formula of cos 3 theta. Cos 3 theta equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. And in first slide you have already seen sine 2 theta means 2 sine theta cos theta. Now dividing both sides by cos theta. Since cos theta equal to cos 18 degree not equal to 0, we can divide this by cos theta. 4 cos square theta minus 3 equal to 2 sin theta. That is 4 into cos square theta means 1 minus sin square theta, because you know the formula sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Now 4 minus 4 sin square theta minus 3 equal to 2 sin theta. Or by calculating we get 4 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta minus 1 equal to 0. Now you know the formula of solving quadratic equation, that is if ax square plus bx plus c equal to c equal to 0, value of x will be minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Therefore from this equation sin theta equal to minus 2 plus minus root over 2a square minus 4 into 4 into minus 1 by 2 into 4. By calculating we get this one. Since the angle theta equal to 18 degree is a positive acute angle, sin theta cannot be negative. Therefore sin 18 degree equal to 1 by 4 root 5 minus 1. Now using formula you can prove the formula to 3 and 4. See at a glance. This will be the proof. Practice it from your textbook. Now I'll go on exercise. From exercise, I'll solve 5 problem. First problem, show that 1 minus sin x by 1 plus sin x equal to tan square pi by 4 minus x by 2. Left hand side, 1 minus sin x by 1 plus sin x. 1 means sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So replace 1 by sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2. And this is submultiple angles formula. In the first slide, you have already known sin a equal to 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. So that sin is equal to 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Similarly, denominator same, only a minus sign. Now this is a minus b whole square. You know the formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square. That is a minus b whole square. And here that is a plus b whole square. So cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square by cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square. Now take cos x by 2 as common term. From here also cos x by 2 as a common term. If you take cos x by 2 as a common term, then cos x by 2 will be vanished and then will be 1 and sin x by 2 by cos x by 2. Or you can easily tell that divide this numerator and denominator by cos x by 2. Then we get 1 minus tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan x by 2, and x square will remain same. And you know 1 means tan pi by 4, that is tan 45 degree. Value of tan 45 degree is 1. And to make the formula easy, we use tan pi by 4. That is, you know the formula, tan a minus b equal to tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. And this is our required right hand side. So the problem is solved. Now the second problem. Show that 2 cos pi by 16 equal to 2 cos 11 degree 15 minute equal to root over 2 plus root over 2 plus root over 2. Now right hand side, take 2 as common, we get 1 plus root 2 by 2. So lastly we get 1 by root 2, and 1 by root 2 means cos 45 degree. Value of cos 45 degree equal to 1 by root 2. And you know the formula, 1 plus cos theta equal to 2 cos square theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta. And 45 degrees is replaced by 2 into 22 degree 30 minutes. That is cos 2 into 22 degree 30 minutes. That is 1 plus cos 2 theta, 2 cos square theta. And this will be 4 cos square 22 degree 30 minutes. And square root is vanished, and 22/4 is vanished by 2. Now take 2 as common, we get 1 plus cos 22 degree 30 minutes. And use the formula 1 plus cos 2 theta again. 1 plus cos 2 theta means 2 cos square theta. So 2 cos square 11 degree 15 minute. And here square root and 4 replaced by 2. So this middle portion is proved. 2 cos 11 degree 15 minute. Again 2 cos pi by 16 equal to 2 cos 11 degree 15 minute. And 2 cos pi by 16 equal to 2 cos 11 degree 15 minute equal to this. So this whole term is proved. Now the third problem. Show that sec alpha minus tan alpha equal to cot square pi by 4 plus alpha by 2. Left hand side. Sec alpha minus tan alpha by sec alpha plus tan alpha. And you know sec alpha equal to 1 by cos alpha and tan alpha equal to sin alpha by cos alpha. So this will be equal to 1 minus sin alpha by 1 plus sin alpha. And in this similar way, using the formula of sin a equal to 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2, we get this. And replace 1 by sin square alpha by 2 plus cos square alpha by 2. Then the formula will be a minus whole square, and in denominator a plus whole square. Now and take divide this term by sin alpha. It will be cos alpha by 2. Divide this or take cos alpha by 2 as a common term. It will be cos alpha by 2 into cot alpha by 2 minus 1 and cos alpha by 2 into cot alpha by 2 plus 1. So lastly, in the formula cot a cot b minus 1 by 1 plus cot a cot b minus 1 by cot a plus cot b, that is cot a plus b. So finally we get cot square alpha by 2 plus pi by 2, and it is the right hand side. Now the fourth problem. If tan theta by 2 equal to root over 1 minus e by 1 plus e into tan alpha phi by 2, prove that cos phi equal to cos theta minus e by 1 minus e cos theta. This problem is very much important for your exam and also for creative question. Now the procedure of solution. Given tan theta by 2 equal to root over 1 minus e by 1 plus e tan phi by 2. Squaring both sides, we get tan square theta by 2 minus tan square theta by 2 equal to 1 minus e by 1 plus e tan square phi by 2. Now changing the side of tan square phi by 2 and tan square theta by 2, we get 1 by tan square phi by 2 equal to 1 minus e by 1 plus e into 1 by tan square theta by 2. This tan square theta by 2 in here, and this tan square phi by 2 is in here. And you know tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. So we write this. Now dividendo componendo. Using dividendo componendo, we write this line. Numerator minus denominator by numerator plus denominator, and right hand side in same way. And multiply 1 minus e by cos square theta by 2, also 1 plus e by sin square theta by 2, and then rearrange this term and take e as common, we get this line. And you know the formula of cos theta. You know the formula cos 2a equal to cos square a minus sin square a. So that cos a equal to cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2. And using this formula, we write cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2 as cos theta. And here e is in here, and sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 from your SSC formula. And also sin square theta by 2 plus cos square theta by 2 equal to 1. And cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2 equal to cos theta. And it is our required proof. Now the last problem. If sin theta equal to a minus b by a plus b, prove that tan pi by 4 minus theta by 2 equal to root b by a. Proof. Given sin theta equal to a minus b by a plus b. Now left hand side, tan pi by 4 minus theta by 2 equal to sin pi by 4 minus theta by 2 by cos pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Because you know the formula sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. So I write this. Now using the formula of sin a equal to 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2, or sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a. In this line, in numerator and denominator, we multiply both by 2 cos pi by 4 minus theta by 2, because we want to get the formula sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a. So we multiply numerator and denominator by 2 cos pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Suppose pi by 4 minus theta by 2 equal to a. Then you can easily say 2 sin a cos a, that is sin 2a. Here this is sin 2a. And you know the formula 2 cos square a equal to 1 plus cos 2a. So 2 cos square pi by 4 minus theta by 2 equal to 1 plus cos 2 pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Dear cadets, I think you all understand this problem. And multiply 2 pi by 2 minus theta. Also here pi by 4 minus theta by 2 multiplied by 2, we get this line. and using the quadrant, replace sine pi by 2 minus theta by cos theta. Here pi by 2, that is a single 90 degree, and then if single 90 degree, then the ratio will be changed. It will be cos theta, and it will be positive because this is in first quadrant, and in first quadrant every ratios are positive, and you can write sine theta in place of cos pi by 2 minus theta. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Therefore cos theta will be root over 1 minus sin square theta, and the denominator are same. Now since given sin theta equal to a minus b by a plus b, I write this sin theta equal to 1 by a minus b by a plus b in place of this. Now after calculation, you can write it as root over 4ab by 2a, and finally we get root over b by a, and it is our required right hand side. So boys, I think you all understand this. Now for homework, yes, using these two scenario, using this two figure, if tan theta by 2 equal to root over 1 minus e by 1 plus e tan phi by 2, prove that cos phi equal to cos theta minus e by 1 minus e cos theta, and using scenario 1, show that angle b equal to 7.5 degree, and using the scenario 2, prove that tan pi by 4 minus theta by 2 equal to root b by a. I think this homework will be easy for you. Now dear cadets, if you have any question, you can ask me through comment section, or you can contact with me through email or Viber or Messenger or other social media or my phone number. Now for the last time, dear cadets, be aware of coronavirus. I want you may all save from coronavirus, and we'll pray for you, and please pray for us so that we can meet again in Burshal Cadet College.